in this video let us discuss about the how to handle missing values in data cleaning. Okay, first of all, why we need to handle these missing values in data cleaning and why we collect the data in data mining. We collect the data in data mining after some pre-processing steps. Our final agenda is to getting some knowledge on the data and it is used for the future prediction and decision making. If the data is inconsistency, incomplete and noisy and there are some errors in the data, our predictions are wrong. Based on this wrong data, if we predict, the output is also wrong. For this, we need to clean the data. After cleaning, we are getting quality, consistency, complete data. By this, we are getting the good prediction and we get good results. For this, we have for this we clean the data. In data cleaning, we have to handle the missing values. Okay, in these 5 ways we handle these missing values. The first one is ignore the tuple. In collecting the data, if some data field is not filled, just simply ignore that tuple. And the second is missing the values manually. Fill the values manually. Okay, we can fill with our own hand. We can assume any value in that data field. For example, we are talking about any student data. If the student data is not, if the marks is not provided by the student, we can fill manually our choice any marks. Okay, use a global constant for the missing value. For example, if we collect the data about water details, everybody have the country as India. If any person doesn't provide the country name as India, we use the global constant as India because everybody comes under the India country. So we use any global constant like India. Second, we use the measure of the central tendency means mean, mode, median. These measure of central tendency techniques are used for the numerical values to fill the missing values and use the most probable values to fill the missing values. For example, if the most probable value is 35, for example, in age field, maximum number of the ages are 35. Okay, if any person leaves the age empty, we can fill the most probable value is 35, so that 35 is placed in the missing value. Okay, for the main purpose of the data cleaning is, if we clean the data, we achieve the quality and complete data. By this we are getting the good knowledge and by this we can predict and make good decisions. Okay, for this we handle the missing values in data cleaning. Okay, ignore the tuple. If the column is not filled by the user in data, we simply ignore that. And the second one is we can manually, humans they fill with manually and use a global constant. Okay, that global constant is applied to the every missing value. Use measure of central tendency, mean, median, mode. These techniques are used. Use the most probable value, the value which is most repeated in the options, which is filled in the form of the missing data. Okay, this is about the data cleaning and how to handle the missing values. Okay, let us see about the how to handle noisy data in next video.